In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this LED work light that works with any 18 volt Milwaukee battery, which is basically the M18. I've got the 2 amp here. You can see right there, Milwaukee, fully charged. And just going over this, it has 2 USB interfaces for charging, USB-A and Type-C for charging like cell phones, other items, maybe batteries or something like that. 59 LED beads, 59 pieces, 2 levels of adjustment, basically a high and a low. Just open it up. I've already taken it out and kind of went over it a little bit. You can see the features here. There's really not much to this thing. It's 18 volts. It's the temperature 6,500 K, so we don't really need any of that. I love these work style lights that uses already previous batteries that you have. You can get this battery by itself, or if you've got a lot of tools like I do that take Milwaukee, you can see that. This thing is very robust built. For the price, that's very impressive. On the side here, you get that USB-A coming out and USB-C right there. We'll test those out here in a minute. And look at that nice screen right there. Let's just say, so it hooks in just like this. Like I said, you're going to need your own Milwaukee batteries. You have 2 settings. Let's bend it over right here. You've got a low and a high. There's the low. Already the low. Wow, that is bright. There's the high. That high is very powerful. Look at that light. That's great. This would be great for like a crawl space, working under a car hood. You just hang it up right there, especially if you're already got a bunch of these batteries. You know what? Let's test this out. Let's say I got a little set of batteries. There's a little set of camera batteries here. If it comes green, it's probably working. Well, looky there. They're fully charged, but look at that. Oh yeah, those work great. So you'd be able to easily charge your phone or any type of item like that with the batteries that you already have. So pretty good on that. I didn't see a cable that came with it. Actually, let's look down in the box. Nope, I don't see any cable down there. Let's go ahead, let's turn the lights out and let's see how bright this thing can get in here, because it's pretty dark in here when I turn out all the lights. So let's do that now. Okay, everybody, it is pitch black in here, so it gets really dark in here. Let's go ahead, let's turn the light on. Whoa, look at that. Let's back up a little bit. Look how bright that is. Look how it lights up in here. That really lights up in here nicely. There's the high beam right there. Yeah, this would be great. If I was working in here and I needed to build something or the power went out, I could grab like a couple of Milwaukee batteries and I'd be good to go. So you could definitely see the difference. There's the low. There's the high. It seems to focus a beam right in the middle right there, and it wides on the outside. The low's just a little lower power consumption from that. Pretty much indestructible. Look at that. If it falls, it's not going to break or anything like that. Very impressive from these guys. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the LED work light. See you all in the next video.